Okay, so Landon, what did we catch? What did we get today? What did we find outside?
What's that?
What did we find outside and capture?
A bird.
A bird?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we found a bird. Baby bird. Just sitting at the bottom of the tree.
Dad, I'm gonna see that. Dad, did you went out there yet? Did you go out there yet?
No, we didn't go out to get the bird. We put it in a cage and put some grass and some sticks.
You didn't go out yet? You didn't go back out yet? Aren't you gonna go back out?
Yeah, we're gonna go out again. So let's go check out the bird and see how he's doing.
Just wait 1 second. I gotta put my soccer stuff in my bag, okay? Wait 1 second.
I love the Barney music. Looks like he knocked over his water.
Mr. Golden Sun, you shine down on me.
Oh, he's hungry.
He is.
Take him inside. He's hungry because. But we cooked up some rice, thinking maybe
You did?
he will want some rice.
Here, let me.
Okay, so what's this? Whoa, that might be too much.
And I also wonder if he'll be okay overnight outside
Oh, maybe we should keep
because
it.
it does get cold.
Don't worry, Sean. Why, I'll bet your bean plant will go way up into the sky someday. Just like the story of...
No.
Jack and his mother lived all alone.
Dad, will you eat grass?
Special day, as strange as it seems.
Well, his water's knocked over, but we're going to give him some rice.
Beans. Jack planted the beans and hoped they would
Look,
What's
he's
in his
opening his
mouth?
mouth up because he wants food.
Could they? Jack didn't know. Then the earth rumbled and
Aw.
shook a big shake. The ground in Jack's garden started to break. And up grew a beanstalk, turned brown, right up to the sky, right into the clouds. Jack started climbing up into the air. What would be at the top when he got way
Maybe we have to
up?
cut
Do
the
you wanna
rice
pet it?
up because it's...
I wonder what'll be at the top when I get through the air.
Now, let's see if we can make like a little nest.
Just like that one.
We really just found this bird under this tree. I don't think there was a mom or dad around, but cut off a little bit of her towel, make a nest, and put him in. Figure out how to pick him up. Chirp, chirp. There we go.
Now it's going to be your turn to try the clapping part.
Well, so tell me what happened with the bird.
Nothing happened. What do you mean? What happened?
Well, we tried to feed it.
Yeah, but it didn't eat anything. Did it eat anything, Dad?
No, we tried to put some cooked and cooled rice in its mouth.
Cooked?
Cooked and cooled, so you don't want to give him hot
Cooked
food.
and cooled.
And he kind of just didn't swallow it, but
Didn't
we're going to keep him outside in that
He
wrap
didn't eat
towel.
anything? So he didn't eat anything?
I don't think so.
What's that noise? Oh, just that.
So we'll see how he does overnight.
Yeah, okay. Dad?
Yeah.
But you gotta see that robotic arm in there. Yeah.
Well, I did see it. Well, just say so long. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you later. Greetings, or thanks.
Landon, say bye-bye.
for me. And someone found the old one and mailed it back to me.